Use synthetic division to solve or simplify 3x squared minus 6 divided by x minus 2. Now this is of the form where we can use synthetic division, right? Because the idea is that you have a polynomial divided by a binomial of the form x minus a. And so in this case, a is equal to 2, right? And the left expression is going to be a polynomial. So now we have to set up our synthetic division problem. So the first thing we do is write this a value on the left, and then we write the coefficients of the polynomial right next to that a value. But notice that there's actually a term for x missing, right? So I want to rewrite this as 3x squared plus 0x minus 6, which I didn't change anything, right? Because 0 times anything is going to be 0. But this way, when I write the coefficients for this polynomial, it's going to be 3, 0, and then negative 6. So that way we can account for it. This is similar to what you would do in long division, for example. Then we want to draw a line under it, leaving enough space for I'm going to add another row of numbers. So now we're ready to start the process of synthetic division. So the first step is to bring down the 3, the leading term, basically. And then what we want to do is multiply this value in the box, this a value 2, by 3, and then put the result up here in this slot under the 0. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then we want to add this column, so 0 plus 6 is going to give us 6. So then the next step is basically we do it again, right? But this time we do it, instead of with the 3, we do it with the 6. So we want to multiply 2 times 6 and then put the result in this slot up here. So 2 times 6 is positive 12. And when you add negative 6 and positive 12 together, you get positive 6. So now we found all the coefficients for our quotient, for our result, basically, right? So the next thing to do is to attach the variables x to it wherever appropriate. So now remember that for synthetic division, it's set up in such a way that the degree of the first term of the quotient, or the result, is always going to be 1 less than the degree of the first term of the dividend. So in this case, the first term of the dividend is x squared, so we're going to start our result with 3x to the first power, right? 1 less. So then the next term is going to be our constant term, and then this final term here is our remainder. And how we write our remainder, remember, is the remainder term over the divisor. So 6 over x plus 2. And this is equal to 3x squared minus 6 over x plus 2. Oh, sorry, x minus 2.